What's going on, everyone? Zeroin here, and today we are back in Lumber Tycoon 2, and we are back with some more episodes. This is episode 3. I am joined by Ronan, aka Tacoma.
Hello.
And today we're just probably gonna save up. As you can see, my money up the top here, it's almost 15,500, which is how much I need for my new sawmill. So I think we're just gonna get money today, and hopefully we can get that new sawmill and get a load of lava wood. So I'm just gonna quickly finish off this little bit of money. What are you gonna get? Or are you gonna sell your?
I'm gonna go sell my cherry wood and then I'll probably get more until you get your new sawmill, then we can go get fire.
Okay. I'm just gonna get a birch tree. Should give me enough. Maybe 2. But yeah, if you missed the last episode, I'll definitely link that in the description of this video. And we basically just got a silver axe. It's a nice upgrade. I think we're just gonna grab this big tree here. Oh, this is so much more better.
It's such a struggle getting all your wood in this tiny truck.
Yeah, big trucks are definitely handier. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm pretty sure I should be able to fit this whole load in. If not, I'm gonna be mad. But yeah, you may not have read my description in my episode 2, but I basically just explained what's going to happen in the future of this channel. I'm probably just going to do a bunch of Lumber Tycoon 2 videos just related, not just my Let's Play episodes or my fresh plot. I'm probably just going to do other stuff on my other accounts, and like adventures and all that, and exploring, getting different types of wood. I'm thinking of starting up some bluewood maze guides if you guys are interested in that. It's just a guide to get through the maze, which I think will be pretty cool.
This guy's trying to get in my truck.
Oh, I hate them people. Okay, let's see if I can maneuver this.
How much are those big trucks? They're like
19,000.
19. Alright. How much are trailers? They're like 6,000, aren't they?
Well, small ones are like 1,600.
Alright.
And the big ones are like 16 grand, yeah.
We should go across and get some of those.
Yeah, you should probably get a trailer. Oh, is that you? No, I'm going this way. Stick to the fucking. Oh my god. Stick to the left. Oh,
Remember that one time we were
far
getting
out.
lava wood and we had like 8 trailers full, and then this guy T-boned us and it all
Yeah.
went everywhere.
Cut us off.
Best.
That's what people do. Oh, this is not my base. I went to your base. Oh, I should have tilted my base the other way so then I could just drive off instead of turning around. Come on, grab it. Oh my god.
I found a cool thing. So you know how when you use a silver axe, that you can only take 2 chops, and then you need to like stop for a second.
You just double click, yeah.
Yeah.
I usually don't get that issue with this axe. Just happens. Okay, let's sell this. Oh, I hope this gives me enough so I don't have to go up again. I can actually make a purchase early. I'll turn my game sound up. Hold on a sec. There we go. That's better. If I can fit all of this in. Oh my gosh. There we go. Ah, these tiny bits just won't stay in. I hate going over the roads because they're massive bumps.
Yeah.
Biggest snake. Ugh. Okay, it gave me more than enough. More than I thought. Now I should have the little bit to spare. After I buy it. Come on. Get off the shelf.
Do you like a lot of cherry wood? No, we should go get trailers.
Hmm. Okay, let's just say goodbye to that one. And let's put our new one in. There we go. That was gonna be so much easier. Come on. The game lag.
Yeah, I just got that as well.
Alright. Where's the over there? Nearest territory. Oh, that guy's gone. People say you need to flip these trees to like get them over to your base, but you just jump with them.
Hmm.
So much easier. You're a big snake, you do realize that?
Yes.
So if you're one of those people watching that flip trees to get to your base, you just jump with the base of it. It's so much easier and quicker. Because it takes like 10 years to flip them. God, this branch is annoying. Here we go, should be able to put that in. Cool. Alright. Getting dumb text messages on my phone, it's annoying. The struggles of getting tiny branches in Sawmill. I wish I could actually grab things, that'd be great. These are tiny. I'm getting a lot of lag. I don't even know why.
Ooh, James joined.
We'll just stay in this Discord.
Alright.
Yeah. Alright, let's sell this. He probably doesn't even know it's me. Try friend him and see what he does. Nah, I'll just sell this off and then hopefully we can have enough to get a trailer. Even though I absolutely hate trailers.
Yeah, no, they're annoying but helpful.
Well, when I have a big truck, I don't find them very helpful. James thinks they're amazing.
Well, that didn't work.
I definitely need new internet because it's not working. Yeah, we should have enough after this whole load.
Wait, how the hell does James have 100k?
Because someone gave it to him.
Oh, yeah. Alright. You wanna go get trailers?
I'm still selling. Because I got a whole tree. I don't think he knows that it works like that it works like that.
Here, I'll
Alright,
push.
let's go get trailers.
I'm trying to push it off his base.
Alright, I'm going across.
Alright, let me come. Stuck in James's base. Alright, there we go.
Alright, small trailers. I'm pretty certain that they're 1,600.
Alright, I'm gonna buy this and then I need to get off for 5 minutes to go do something.
$1,800. Swear I remember it being 1,600. That's not yours. Just gotta wait for it to come back. You drive this away? Nope. There it is. I think we're at the same, like, progress right now.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. He's gonna cut me off. We'll bet.
Alright. I'll be right back.
Replace my truck. Alright. Just quickly replace my truck so then I can get a bit of... Oh, where am I? Ah, it's all the way over here. Oh, now it's all the way over there. That's weird. Quickly grab that. Come on, get in the real seat. Why can't you? Oh my gosh. There we go. Get in, grab it, put it on. Cool, now we got a trailer. That's just amazing. This will be a big help, probably when getting lava wood, which is what we're gonna get now. And then hopefully save up for a big truck, so then it's easier to get wood. Cool. So I think now I've just been left alone. And I'm going to go get a load of lava wood. So, in the meantime, I'm sorry if I wasn't talking for a little bit there because I really had nothing to talk about. But yeah, we got the trailer, so it'd be a really big help for more storage. I think we're gonna get lava wood now, as I said a billion times. I know, sorry. I will show you a few tips and tricks on how to get lava wood really quickly. So, I will show you one way of how to get lava wood, the passive way, and then I will show you guys how to get up the top of the volcano with your truck. Now, one thing I do want to point out before I do this, I do not recommend you cutting down the wood up there and loading it into your truck up the top of the volcano, because there's no way for you to get down with it staying in your car securely. So, the first way, cut down a tree, any tree. We're not gonna put this tree on our truck, we're just gonna grab a little branch, grab the end branch and cut it in half. Chuck that away, we don't need it. and you go put it here, get behind it, go in third person with your cursor and walk with it, and then put your cursor at your feet, and then it should push you up the mountain like this. And then when you get to the top, you walk and bring it, just like that. And you go like this, bring it, go like this, bring it. Oh, wow, that went pretty far. Alright. It's a little bit difficult, it takes some time to get actually the wood up with you. There we go. Now we can drop that down. We don't really need that anymore. Cool, so we can get to the top of the volcano now, which are very high up. I think I'm just going to grab this tree here. We should be able to fit this whole tree in our truck. And it takes a long time to cut down. No, it takes a decent amount of time to cut it down with a silver axe. Alright, chopped. Okay, so now, once you've got your lava wood tree chopped down, what you want to do is you want to go in first person, and hold it from the base, from the corner, and then jump with it, and then move side to side. I find that the easiest way, and chuck it down here. Make sure you make sure you always chuck it down here, so then it falls that way, or even here. Here is the safe zone, so where from this point here to this point here, you can chuck it down. It's all good there. But anywhere else, we can try to chuck it down there, but it might go off over there. Okay, so I'm going to grab my truck quickly, and I'm going to show you guys how to get up the top with your truck. Now, another thing I do want to point out, do not go up the volcano with your trailer, because it's slowing you down, and not only just slowing you down, but you are a very bigger target for the boulders to hit you. And there are boulders in the volcano. So, what you want to do, I'm going to turn the music off quickly, because it's really irate. Alright, so you follow the inside of the volcano up, until you get to here. Oh, actually, you keep following up the inside of the volcano, and then you cross over here, and you should be able to make it in time. And then you go up the wall side, so you follow the wall, and then quickly cut in front of that. I think that's the easiest way, or you could just follow the inside up. So that's the passive way that I just showed you. The inside up is the more, like, I guess, advanced way to do it. But the quickest way is to just chuck your truck down here. But as you can see, sometimes it flips. So sometimes you are able and lucky enough to flip it back over. But if you're like me right now, you probably just want to reset your character and go respawn your truck and drive back up here. I will be back when I have done that, guys. So I'll be back real quick. Alright, so I am back up the top of the mountain. Now you just want to cut your tree down. Simple as that. Load it up in your truck and then drive back down to your base. And over time, you will probably get better at this. This is my #1 tip on how to get money fast. It's really simple and easy. Just to get lava wood, because these trees are very valuable and they sell for a lot of money, especially when you got a bigger tree than mine, definitely. And it would be a big help if we had the O2L, which is the longer sawmill, but it's all good. We got the pretty decent sawmill for now. Should be good enough for us to get the bigger truck, which is pretty mad. Alright. I kind of want to swap spots with that one, so then we're not blocking our view when we're driving. Alright. Quickly, just come on. Do you wanna? There we go. Chuck this in, and we should be able to fit one more piece. Probably this one. Easy done. And then we can use our trailer now. Cool. Let's chop this piece off. Don't want it to be too long, otherwise it will not fit in our truck. But yeah, hopefully I can get a face cam soon. Oh, I glitched. Hopefully I can get a face cam soon so you guys can actually see my face while I'm playing. I kind of want to do that play style. Just uncut raw videos. And having a face cam as well, that'd be pretty sick. So that's the kind of recording style that I want to do. But anyway, we managed to get this load successfully in our truck without falling out. It's pretty secure. Now it is quicker to roll down the mountain, but I don't recommend it when you've got a load of lava wood because they like to fly out when you're taking corners. So let's just drive now. That was a quick little way to get down the mountain. Cool. So that took us 2 minutes to do that. It's a very good time. Pretty sick. Alright, so we'll just sell this now and I will see how much I get because hopefully I'll get a lot from this. That'd be pretty cool if I get like 8 grand from this. That'd be nice. Alrighty. This is definitely too long, so I'll have to cut this in half. Wow, the silver axe is a big help. Hopefully we can make a purchase in the future of a fire axe, but anyway. Just responding to someone in chat. Oh, that is too long. Go in the sawmill, so I have to chop this one in half as well. Cool, so go in sawmill. Come on. There we go. He's just going on because the other day I'll just give you a quick explanation. The other day I said trailers were pretty useless when you had a big truck because they're just 2 times the weight, and it also slows you down going up mountains, and plus the big truck has just got all the storage you need. It's so we got lag. It's just so helpful. But the trailers, man, I mean, like, they're good for small cars because the small cars have like just an unacceptable amount of storage in it. But the big truck, you just don't really need a trailer, in my opinion. It's just quicker and easier, not having to worry about this big chunky thing on the back of your truck. This guy likes to take up a lot. A lot. This should give us a lot now. Yeah, definitely. Okay, hopefully that gave us here 5,000. Yeah, 5,300, 400 or something like that. So if we get here, if we get 4 more loads, 3 or 4 more loads of lava wood, we should be able to get the bigger truck, which that will be in the next episode of Lumber Tycoon, guys. I'm going to conclude this episode. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, definitely leave a like down below and also subscribe if you're new. Leave your feedbacks in the comment section below so then you let me know what I can do better in this video. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed again. Link in the description to previous episode. If you haven't watched it already, go ahead and watch it. But other than that, it's been Zero and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.